Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today, day number 13 of Power BI DAX functions. So we have successfully completed 22 days of DAX functions. We have uploaded different videos on discussing about DAX functions, which is covered of 8 different types. What are the importance of DAX functions and what are the different types of DAX functions we have discussed already. In which we have subcategories also. We have successfully completed for date and time functions, informative functions, logical functions, and text functions. Today in this video we are going to discuss with yet another function of parent child DAX functions. We have already discussed first one, which is path function in Power BI. Now we are going to discuss about the second function in parent and child function, which is PATHItem. How this DAX function is used and how we are going to use in real time world, we are going to clearly discuss in this particular video. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are eager to learn the DAX functions. If you have any queries in the previous video or the video which we are going to discuss for the today, please post your queries in the comment box. We are ready to answer you in a short span of time. Moreover, if you have missed our 22 days of video, not to worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description as well. Let's start with the today's video. So here we have discussed about what is path function. So how this path function works. Path function will help you to identify the hierarchy. Let's say it will help you to create an organizational chart level function in Power BI. So we have discussed about path. Now today in this video, as we discussed, we are going to discuss about the PATHItem. What it will return, how it's going to use, we are going to explain with the syntax. Let's start with the video. So I am creating a new measure. So here I am going to name it as path underscore item, PATHItem, which is equal to, give the PATHItem tab, and you can see the result. It returns the nth item in the delimited list produced by the path function, which means it will give you the position or the number of which number we are going to give it in the position. It will give you the value whichever is available on that particular location. So what I'm going to do is, it will ask me the path. So I am going to create a new path, which is path. If we type the path, we have already created a hierarchy. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to create a captain's hierarchy table. And now position, which position we need to give the value. Suppose as per this, I have to take the first position of the captain's hierarchy. So I am going to take the first position, and then it will ask me to get the value integer or text. I am going to take the text because we have the text, and you can see the value over here. It says as function returns a string, which will return the string, but if you go for integer, it will give the number, which number it is there. So I am going to select the text, and I am closing the bracket, hitting the enter. So you can see there is our column created. I am just dragging it into our table, which we have already captain's hierarchy, and now you can see the topmost hierarchy or the position number 1 which you have given is, we have the result as Dhoni. As you can see, the captain's table which we have discussed in the previous video, and captain's hierarchy is Dhoni and Kohli, Rohit, Pandya. So here instead of 1, if I change the value to 2 or 3, let's say I am going to give 3 and hitting the enter, you can see I am getting the Rohit wherever it is present, because third number of third hierarchy level is not available in first 2 rows. So that's why we are getting the values in third and fourth row. This is how the PATHItem works. Hope everyone have understood this video. If you're not, as we suggested previously, please do post your queries in the comment box. We'll meet in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.